Hello loves, this is Jalet and welcome back to another vlog. So for today's vlog, we will be making a Buko Pandan dessert. This is a Filipino dessert that is normally served cold or chilled. We will be needing the shredded young coconut, and you can find this in the frozen section in the Asian groceries. 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of coconut juice, 1 can of angel condensada or whichever brand is available. We will also gonna need a coconut gelatin dessert mix, or another option that you can use an agar-agar, or you can also use the clear jello. So we don't normally get the fresh pandan leaves, so the closest one that I could get here is a Buko Pandan extract. We would also need tapioca pearls, and this needs to be cooked, and I will show you how to do it later. 1 bottle of nata de coco. We will also need sugar, and that is just my serving bowl and my mixing bowl right there.
So now we're gonna cook the tapioca pearls. This one right here. So I'm only gonna put half of the pack. So there you go. We would just need to keep stirring this one so it doesn't stick.
So now it's cooked. We are just gonna transfer it and drain it right there. So just let the tapioca pearls just sit there and let it cool down. So this is our gelatin, and I put in 3 cups of water. I dissolve it in water. So now I think it's ready, and we're gonna pour it into my glass container, and we're gonna let it cool for about 2 hours. Okay, now we have our pearls, and our gelatin is already ready. Now we're just gonna slice. So here it is. I'm just gonna keep stirring this one. Just mixed it, make sure everything is incorporated. Just mixed it, and I don't want to put in artificial colorings. That's why my Buko Pandan is just milky in color, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste equally the same as the ones that are that has the green coloring on it. Anyway, that was just for aesthetic purposes, just making it more like pandan because it's